Miss Munoz with another video example from Balancing Equations, level 1 and 2. This time we're going to do number 7. It's a little bit more complicated, but we're still going to start out the same way. So we're still going to start out with one of every formula. And these go in order, so I'm not trying to trick you there. Just line up one of each one. And you can start out by doing an inventory in your head, or you can type them in. I'm going to go ahead and type them in so you can see what you're starting with. So 3 LIs, 1 N, 2 ALs, and 3 Os. You just get that from the subscripts. Over here, we have 2 LI, 1 N, 1 AL, and 1 O. And you can just pick anything that is imbalanced. You can go left to right. If I start with Li, I see that this reactant side has 3, the product side has 2. And the only way to balance groups of 3 and 2 is to get 6 on each side. So that's going to take another of the formula Li3N. So updating that formula will take my Li to 6, and it'll take my N to 2. And to get 6 Li on my product side, I'm going to need 2 more of these. And that will take my lithium atoms on the product to 6 and my oxygen atoms to 3. And so if you just sort of recheck where you're at, lithium is now balanced at 6. And I wasn't really working on oxygen, but it is now balanced at 3. And then if I check nitrogen, nitrogen is not balanced, and aluminum is not balanced. So if I'm going left to right and I work on nitrogen, my product side only has 1 nitrogen. So I am going to need another ALN formula. And if I update that, now I have 2 ALs and 2 N's. So I fixed nitrogen, both sides have 2. And while doing that, I also fixed aluminum, even though I wasn't looking at it. Now aluminum has 2. And at this point, every element is balanced. 6, 2, 2, 3 going across, 6, 2, 2, 3 going across. So everything is even. I'm going to count my formulas to get my coefficients. So 2 boxes of the Li3N formula, and that's going to give me a coefficient of 2. Al2O3, I only have 1, so coefficient of 1. Li2O, 3 boxes of that, so that is a coefficient of 3. And ALN, I have 2 of those, so that's a coefficient of 2. And remember, coefficients come from counting the boxes. They do not come from the atom inventory at the bottom. So that is number 7.